Kubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Menteri Koit Khiah uba el hek negasngi habay keren bat ginong to kubor ulayatu bahaswa ban pendu ya kanu kasas kular kabay kilayate Khiah ban pej bni aswa kimla ban shu pendu shu habay dai bat ke jingjia kablaja hadangar PHC nagaleng menteri laong baya kani ke jingjia nagaleng jong u udang ap ya ka kaipot matchen un sayo ya kani ka kaipot bat un yo ban pej ba ulaong ru bakum gini ke jingjia Ngim la ban su Kynnoh Nongtrei Koit Khiah hanrai ngi haban ap ya ke jing shisha ulong bana kaliang jong Nongtrei Koit Khiah ki trei Shitom met labat ngi ban Peit ya ke jing Koit Khiah jong ki paj ba
through the tender and a signed MOU. Before we revoke any agreement between the two parties, you have to see first the MOU.
So will there be any inquiry be held in the incident which
the inquiry is coming to the evening, but I don't have a full inquiry report with me. Once the inquiry report has come, I will be able to tell you what exactly happened on that day.
But like this is the second or third instance where allegation has been made about medical negligence, which has led to the death of some.
See, anything allegation is always there, but we have to ascertain the facts. Anything happen cannot be squarely blamed the doctor, the nurses or the hospital. You have to see also the amount of hard work, efforts that put in by the doctor. They are already stressed, working day and night to ensure the safety and the life of the people.